Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, January 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thank you. Just a little tired.
I understand. I am very tired too. I need this coffee.
Yes, coffee is very important in the morning.
Is the coffee machine working well today?
I think so. It is making a strange noise, but the coffee looks good.
Great. I have a long day ahead. I have 3 meetings with clients.
Wow, 3 meetings? That is a lot of work.
Yes, sales never stop. What about you? Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy. I need to finish the project plan for the new software.
You are always organized. I like that.
Thank you, David. I try my best.
By the way, did you read the news this morning?
I read a little bit on the train. Why?
Did you see the article in the Wall Street Journal? It was from December 29.
Do you mean the one about the moon treaty?
Yes, that is the one. Global Power signed exclusive moon mining treaty.
Yes, I saw it. It is very controversial.
It says that 5 big countries now control the resources on the moon.
Exactly. They want to mine for minerals there.
I think it is exciting. Imagine the business opportunities.
I am not sure, David. It seems unfair.
Why is it unfair? These countries have the technology.
Yes, but the article says smaller countries are angry. They feel excluded.
That is true. But business is business, right?
Maybe. But the moon should belong to everyone, not just 5 countries.
You are very idealistic, Alex. I see the profit.
And I see the conflict. The article mentions protests in many places.
Yes, people are protesting. But we need resources Earth is running out.
That is a good point, but we must share.
Sharing is hard in politics. The treaty starts in 2026.
That is very soon. We will see what happens.
I hope they find gold. I want a gold watch from the moon.
You are funny, David. Always thinking about money.
That is my job. I am in sales.
True. Did you see the other news? The one about technology?
Which one? There is so much news this week.
The article from CNN on December 30.
Oh wait, is it about the eyes?
Yes. Smart contact lenses with 10x zoom hit markets.
That is crazy. I read that too.
It is amazing technology, but it is also scary.
The article says you can zoom in with just a blink.
Yes, you blink your eye and you see things 10 times closer.
Imagine that in the office. I can see your computer screen from here.
That is exactly the problem, David. Privacy?
The article says people are worried about privacy.
Of course. How do I know if you are recording me?
You don't know. That is the cool part.
It is not cool. It is dangerous. The police are worried too.
But think about it for work. I can see the client's face very clearly.
And you can see if they are lying?
Exactly. It is a great tool for a salesperson.
I don't like it. I prefer normal glasses.
You are old-fashioned, Alex. This is the future.
The future is expensive. The article says they cost $3,000.
$3,000? That is expensive. Maybe I will wait.
Good idea. Wait for the price to go down.
But still, technology moves very fast these days.
It moves too fast sometimes. We need to slow down.
Speaking of slowing down, did you see the news about universities?
The one in the New York Times?
Yes. From December 28, universities abolish letter grades nationwide.
Yes. That is a very big change for education.
No more A, B, or C, just pass or fail.
I think it is interesting. Students are very stressed today.
But Alex, how do companies hire people?
What do you mean?
If everyone has a pass, who is the best student?
The article says companies must look at portfolios, not just grades.
That takes a lot of time. I like to see an A on the resume.
But an A does not mean they are smart. It means they take tests well.
Maybe, but competition is good. It makes people work hard.
The article says mental health is getting worse in colleges.
I understand that. Studying is hard.
So, if we remove grades, students can learn without fear.
But the real world has grades. In sales, I have numbers.
Work is different from school. School is for learning.
I guess so. But I like getting good grades.
Did you always get good grades, David?
Well, mostly. Sometimes.
See? Maybe a pass is better for you too.
You were right. I am good at talking, not taking tests.
Exactly. Everyone has different skills.
The article says 50 major universities are doing this.
Yes, it is a big movement. It starts next semester.
My nephew is happy. He hates math tests.
It might be good for him. He can focus on learning.
Or he can focus on video games because he can just pass.
That is a risk. But teachers are smart. They will know.
I hope so. The world is changing very fast, Alex.
Yes, it is. The moon, smart eyes, and no grades.
It is a lot to think about before 9 in the morning.
It is. My brain is full now.
Is your coffee finished?
Almost. It is getting cold.
My coffee is finished. I feel more awake now.
That is good. You have those 3 meetings.
Oh no. I forgot about the meetings for a minute.
Sorry to remind you.
It is okay. I am ready. I am a professional.
Yes, you are. Good luck with your clients.
Thank you, Alex. Good luck with your project plan.
Thanks. I need to focus today.
Do you want to eat lunch later? Maybe at 1 o'clock.
I can't today. I have a call at 1.
Okay, maybe tomorrow.
Yes, let's try tomorrow. I am free at 12.
Perfect. 12 is good for me too.
Okay. I must go to my desk now. My computer is waiting.
Me too. The phone is probably ringing already.
Have a good morning, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.